Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how we can create an open model. Like Magento default model, how we can open this model in Magento 2. So let's start how we can use this model. So first of all, you need to go to the at my document. Let me go to my project directory app code, this extension example model. So you need to get the block. You need to etc for the module registration view. We need front end layout default. In default layout default.xml, we are just calling our block model example and template is example.phtml. Okay, and in templates example.phtml, you can just write the simple content over example model and model content, but here it need example model data image in it, example model target model content. You need to write this is very important. Okay, after that we have example more templates, then we have web js example model js. Here initializing the model target config.target, it will get the target model element and a target model should be open model, then it will return the example model. Okay, and after that after doing that we have example in require.js, we are calling that js part like this example model js example model. So it will call that module in block. We are just I think returning the content over here in block example.php. We are just returning the content. Okay, so whatever content we are adding here, it will reflect it in this section. So it is in like if we go to the any bootstrap model, it is very simple, but in this if you want to add a model according to the perspective of the Magento, this is the way that you can add the model or pop up in anywhere in Magento. Okay, so yeah, we have done this pop up in anywhere. And once again I will explain the files example model block example.php. Here we are defining the get content, and that get content we are getting in the templates example.html. Here we are getting the get content. Model content would be the, we are defining the model content what we have adding the content. So block get content model will get the all the content which is written in the block page, where it is in block, this one. If I'm going to change anything over here, so it will reflect it over here. Okay, let's check, is it reflecting or we need to compile this. We have written this one. I think we need to flush the cache because it's related to the phtml. Sudo php bin cf cache flush. Okay, now we can check. Now it's changed. So whenever you are changing anything content related to the html, you need to flush the cache, then you can check that. Okay, so this is how we can create a model in Magento 2. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.